of mine to represent the Philippines. So I'm gonna give my best, and at the same time, I will enjoy every moment of this journey.
Any last preparation last minute preparation?
Some empake pa for more pasabogs to come sa Cebu. Yes, yun lang po.
And have you spoke with your co-candidate?
Sorry,
Have
have
you
I?
spoke your co-candidate?
Oh, I think that's one thing about me. I don't stalk my candidates. I don't know if it's a good thing or a bad thing, but I never stalk my candidates. But I was able to talk to some girls because we've been following each other on social media. So yeah, I think I was able to connect with them na on our GC as well.
Ano sa tingin mo pinakamatinding mga kalaban?
Hindi ko pa masasabi eh. Kasi just like what I mentioned, ma'am, wala pa akong idea sa performance nila and their personality on how they present themselves. Pero I think all of them should be, capable. They're all capable kasi they're representing their country. I think they're the best of the best in their country as well.
And
So, yeah.
I know there are some activities like big events for the Miss Asia Pacific. So what are you most looking forward for them?
Of course, we have the national costume here in Manila this September 27. Wala pa pong place and time, but we also have our preliminary October 3 sa J Park Hotel sa Cebu. And at the same time, our coronation night, sa October 8 na po yan sa Cebu Coliseum. So I'm looking forward sa all of the big events, the three big events that we have.
Message mo sa mga taga Cebu.
Oh, yun po. Maraming salamat sa pag-accommodate sa amin dyan. Kasi, and I'm looking forward to meet all of the Cebuanos out there. And of course, to share what we have, what the Philippines have, what Cebu have to the whole country. I mean, to the whole world. Maraming salamat.
Do you know any, sorry. And isa sa pinaka-abangan na nito ng mga fans and supporters of course, yung evening countdown sa national costumes. Please tell us a hint of your costume.
Mom, as of now, I cannot tell a hint. Kasi
Surprise!
pag sinabi ko siya, I think magigas nyo na agad siya. Kasi it really represents the Philippines. Something that represents the Philippines. So, yes. Sa gown naman, alam niyo naman, mahilig tayo magpasabog dyan. So, let's see na po sa coronation and preliminary night. Pero, I promise po na we're gonna give our best. Our creative designers, grabe, kudos to them. Maraming salamat po, Daddy Rian, Sir Renal, maraming salamat po.
So tomorrow night flight mo.
Actually, magstay po kami dito sa Manila until September 29. Then our flight is September 30 to Cebu. Siguro my team po, yun lang talaga as of now kasi wala pa pong kaming talagang plan to bring some audience as well from my province, kaya kanina na natanong. So let's see pa kung ano yung bibigay ni Lord when it comes to the supporters as well.
Anita, may pinapadalo lang sa amin.
Yes, po.
Question is, why should you be our next Miss Asia Pacific International?
Actually, I think I'm worthy of winning Miss Asia Pacific International because of my journey and story that is rooted in gratitude. I came from humble beginnings, and all the experiences that I faced made me the strong woman that I'm not right now, grounded, driven, and full of heart. And growing up lacking the necessity that I have taught me to value hard work. That is why when I do something, I dedicate my whole self, my heart into it. So if you're gonna ask me why I should win, I think it's because I carry not just my dream, but I carry the strength, the story, and the purpose that this crown was made for. Maraming salamat.
Anita, on a lighter side, can you please tell us your Bench Fashion Week experience?
Oh, kanina na-mention ko na nga po na I'm super blessed and I'm super grateful for the opportunity to walk sa Bench Fashion Show. Pero I know na there's more to come po. Sana, hopefully. So yeah, I just feel so blessed and grateful.
Actually, hindi ka namin nakilala ha.
Iba po kasi ang fashion no. Like,
grabe yung atake mo
oo.
doon.
Ibang styling natin.
So, are we expecting ba not just a beauty queen but also a ramp model, Anita Gomez ba in the future?
Oh, let's see po. Kasi in this journey, we're mixing our styling ng class and at the same time, laban. So make of class and laban.
So, paano dumating laban lang, gano'n?
Basta po, ang masasabi ko lang, pasabog lahat ng labas natin. Class na pasabog, yes.
Anita, talking to your preparations, ano yung mas nahirapan?
My preparation. I can very much say na sa pasarela po. Kasi in this competition, iba siya sa national competition na sinalihan ko, which is Miss Grand. So I need to tone down a little. I need to be more Miss Asia Pacific type na pasarela. So I think yun lang naman yung magiging adjustment ko. So far sa styling, we'll stick sa class, but pasabog na styling natin. So yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Hi po. Hi.